a clean desk for once. Anyway, hey everyone, it's me, EH-Sora here, and this is the unboxing of this. The Lenovo Duet Chromebook. Actually, this is actually my first Chromebook, and I bought it mostly as an excuse to be able to play around with a Chromebook as such, and use it as the primary writing device for this channel and write scripts and such. It's a 2-in-1 Chromebook tablet. It has a FHD IPS display. I said it's a 2-in-1 with a removable keyboard. It has a stupidly long battery life. It has two different storage options, either 128 gigs or the cheaper one with 64 gigs. It has 4 gigs of RAM and uses the MediaTek and it has the MediaTek Helio P60T CPU and 4 gigs of RAM. It has anyway, let's open the box. And it's empty because I have been using this for 1.5 months roughly, and here's it. Yeah, I have installed a glass screen protector on it, and you get in the box the tablet, removable. You get the tablet in the box, a removable kickstand that attach magnetically. Tablet like this. It has 8-megapixel rear camera and a 2-megapixel fixed focus front camera. You get a keyboard with it. I mean, it's not great, it's not horrible, it's usable for the price and for being included. The Lenovo Duet Chromebook has one single USB Type-C port, the power button, and volume up and volume down, and that's it on the tablet. And to connect the keyboard, you have this. You have 5 pins here, 5 pogo pins that you just connect tablet like this. It's okay typing experience for what it is. So yeah, you get the tablet, the magnetic kickstand, the keyboard as well, USB-C to A cable, like 1 meter. A regular 10-watt power brick. And a tiny USB-C to 3.5mm jack adapter. And that's pretty much it in the box. All in all, I bought it more or less have a device to write on, like write the bulk of the scripts and such, and be able to write and read the scripts when I do the voiceovers and such. And like 1.5 months in, it's pretty good. I have also installed the Linux environment, and you can install Linux apps. It's pretty much okay. It's okay. I paid like, what was it? Paid like 350 euros or something like that. I mean, I bought it more or less because it was a 2-in-1 tablet. And it was a Chromebook, so I can more easily work with the Google stuff. And yeah, there is an updated version. Like this one doesn't has like magnets to keep the keyboard at place, such. So, but I will link to like Lenovo's official. Sorry, I will link to the Lenovo's official website, so you can all look at it. And as I said, I bought it for mostly because it was a Chromebook, so I can mess around with it. I already use Google's services mostly, and I like that I can just remove the keyboard and use it as a regular tablet. And as well, it has security and OS support until June of 2028. So I recommend to get this if you found this as for cheap, or any of Lenovo's any of the Lenovo Duet Chromebooks, if you want like a 2-in-1 experience. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and this is EH-Sora here, and I will see you all next time.